It's time we answer a question on your stock in a little segment we like to call Your Stock, Our Take. Buy, sell, or hold.
Certainly. So Aphria, it's trading at about $6.70 today. It is a $1.7 billion market cap company. Aphria is a licensed Canadian-based cannabis producer. It's one of the largest cannabis stocks in Canada or even the world, really, based on revenue and market cap. Our listener is correct that Aphria has lost a tremendous amount of value over the last year. The stock price reached around $20 at the time of legalization in October 2018, and since then has declined over 75%. This is nothing specific to Aphria, as these kinds of losses, or even much worse losses, have been seen in nearly every single cannabis stock listed in Canada. The company just recently, just reported this morning on January 14th, its fiscal Q2 2020 results. Aphria reported net revenue of $120 million. This was an increase of 457% compared to the same quarter a year ago, but a sequential decline from $126 million in the previous quarter, fiscal Q1. Aphria also downgraded its 2020 revenue outlook to between $575 million to $625 million, which compares to its previous outlook of between $650 to $700 million. Aphria, like nearly all of its peers, continues to lose money. The company reported negative cash flow of $71 million for the first 6 months of the fiscal year. Our take is that we would continue to steer clear of Aphria and about 99% of cannabis stocks. We continue to see a huge amount of risk in this sector. Looking at Aphria specifically, while the revenue growth year over year is very impressive, the quarter over quarter drop shows that this revenue growth is slowing and potentially even starting to decline. The company is far from profitability and continues to lose tens of millions in cash flow on a quarterly basis. Aphria does report quarters which appear to be profitable to the untrained eye, but the reality is that any profit they have reported has been the result of non-cash changes in the fair value of biological assets. This is not real profit.